Professional Organization, Texas Association for Literacy Education, TALE, by Maria Rodriguez. What will you learn about TALE? Conferences and professional development, publications, opportunities for publishing and presenting, and tools for advocacy. What is TALE? The Texas Association for Literacy Education is an affiliate of the International Literacy Association. This organization has made a commitment to help students in Texas in different ways. Using knowledge of the principles of language to guide practices, using evidence-based teaching practices, respecting the diversity of learners, providing professional development, and supporting those who are entering education. Its mission is to enhance the lives of Texans by promoting literacy. They do this by promoting students' positive literacy identity, valuing their interests, linguistic capabilities, perspectives, cultural identities, and goals. All of this is done through joyful learning and using literacy for personal and social good. Conferences. TALE has been organizing conferences since 2012 in different cities around Texas. The latest one happened on February 22nd and 23rd, 2018, at the West Texas A&M campus in Canyon. In the conference, there were speakers about literacy, digital behavior, writing, how to find resources on Lead Forward, differentiated instruction for English language learners, tools to support instructional practices, and many more. TALE partners with different organizations in order to promote literacy and showcase skills and resources educators can use. Some of the partners are StoryBridge, a nonprofit organization that provides at-risk children with books, Scholastic, McGraw-Hill Education, Pearson, the West Texas A&M Center for Learning Disabilities, Barnes & Noble, Fountas and Pinnell, Zaner Blossner, and Heinemann, among others. Professional development. Attendees have the opportunity to attend professional development sessions targeted to their needs. The workshops are led by literacy specialists that work for districts, universities, and some of the above-mentioned literacy organizations. There are sessions about different topics for grades K through 12 in English and Spanish instruction. The choices range from learning about creating research environments in the classroom, an overview of newly adopted English language art TEKS, instructional approaches for inclusion, effective POC meetings, writing instruction, reading strategies for students on the autism spectrum, guided reading in English and Spanish, phonics, interventions, and vocabulary acquisition. At every conference, there are different speakers that have submitted their papers through the organization to be able to present. Publications. In order to promote communication with the members of TALE, there are 3 different ways in which the Communications Committee does this: through print, electronic, and social mediums. The TALE yearbook gathers information about the annual conference and includes some of the presentations in which readers will be informed about literacy advancements in research and practices with national and international audiences. The TALE yearbook is a peer-reviewed publication that is made available online in the fall of each year. The committee also communicates through a newsletter called TALE Newsletter that includes book reviews, technology pieces, and innovative literacy pieces. It is published every spring, summer, and fall. There is also the Texas Journal of Literacy Education, which is the official peer-reviewed journal for the Texas Association for Literacy Education. In this publication, readers can find research and practical articles that are published twice a year. Opportunities for publishing and presenting. At every conference, the TALE yearbook compiles information about the presentations and workshops in order to share the advances in literacy research and practices with audiences in the United States and the world. In order to be considered, applicants must submit a manuscript that addresses the theme of the conference. There are several requirements. The author cannot be a published author and cannot be under consideration with another publication. The manuscript for the presentation must be scholarly or research-focused, or summary or practitioner-focused. Tools for advocacy. TAIL has an advocacy committee that has as its mission to educate, advocate, and support the importance of lifelong literacy learning. This committee is made up of Texas Leadership in Literacy Award winners that advocate that students can accomplish the mission through education facilitated by building alliances and creating a network among literacy educators. The committee offers presentations about how advocacy works in the classroom and how teachers can advocate for themselves, their students, and their profession. They encourage professionals to understand that even a small group of people can affect great change. Tips about how to write to legislators are also provided, along with templates. TAIL is an organization that focuses on improving education by providing educators with tools to promote positive literacy attitudes across Texas. By organizing conferences in which attendees can learn from literacy specialists through their presentations and workshops, educators are provided with information about innovative ways to teach. The organization also provides publications where teachers can get more information on relevant strategies and resources for better literacy education in each classroom. Thank you.